Hi guys, if your Gorenje Induction Hob is frozen, if it is showing any kind of errors or not responding properly, a quick reset is definitely helpful in solving these types of problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Gorenje Induction Hob. So first of all, you need to start by turning off all the cooking zones and powering down the hub. Just make sure that no cooking functions are active before beginning the reset process. Now you just have to turn the hob off at the volt switch, circuit breaker or the main supply. Then you need to leave it disconnected for at least 2 to 5 minutes so that the control board can fully power down and clear the temporary faults. After doing so, you just have to simply reconnect the power supply and then wait for the control panel to initialize. Now, some of the models may briefly display indicators while the system restarts. Now, if the hob still doesn't respond, you can just simply take a look at the child lock that may have activated after the reset. So if the hob switched off, you can just simply press and hold the power button or the lock key for about 3 to 5 seconds until the lock indicator disappears. So once the reset is completed, you can just simply start using it again. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.